Hey guys and gals, another beautiful day here in central Alberta. Two and a half tenths of rain last night, or night before, so we're still drying out a little bit. Yeah. Anyway, just doing some pre-trip maintenance, I guess, or whatever you want to call it, on the Kubota 108S. And I just wanted to show you just how easy it is to look after these tractors and how simple things are. For one, your main rod comes with this screen on it, which does a tremendous job, really does. And all it does is just slide back in, and sits on a tab right there, and another one on this side. Get it up on there, and done. It's got a handy little panel here that just flips open, so you can blow out the side of the rod. Everything's right up front, coolant level, oil filter, fuel filters, hydraulic filter, just everything's so easily placed, it's not even funny. Your tranny cooler, I think, slides in, wing nut. Oh, maybe I should have put this other panel back on first. I never put this one back on one-handed, so we'll see how this all goes. But yeah, this just flips in here. As you can see, none of this is rehearsed. There's a hole. Where the heck did that hole go? Oh, right back here. Not much for... I'm sorry. Anyway, and then it just slides down on this bracket right here, like tab, and then you push this back in, that cooler back in. There you go. You're done. Like 2 seconds, you can have this tractor totally exposed for you. It's just awesome. And it's, you know, it's 108 on the 108 on the motor, and I was bailing with it the other night because my big case has let me down. You know, here's the other thing about Kubota is you can go online, go to the Kubota parts store, and find any part that you want. You'll have the number. You call your dealership, tell them the number. In a lot of cases, they'll even give you a discount for having found the part, taking all the work out of it. You order your part, it comes in, you pick it up, done. Like, I can't say enough good about this 108. I mean, the seat in it is the only complaint that I have. Other than that, wow, for 108 horsepower on the engine, it is a tremendous workhorse. Anyway, got to get back to the field. Hope everybody's having a great day.